Low back pain, displacement of the center of gravity, poor posture and limited mobility. These are all consequences of hyperlordosis.
Now I'm going to show you 5 exercises that help me get rid of the pain. Let's get started. The first exercise relieves tension in the lower back. Lay on your back and pull your knees toward your chest. Relaxing your lower back, stay in this position for 1-2 minutes. The second exercise, glutes bridge. Lay on your back, place your feet away from your glutes so that when you lift, there is a 90-degree angle at your knees. Don't let your lower back rest on the floor between repetitions. Inhale at the bottom, exhale at the top, and squeeze your abs. Do 3 sets of 30-50 reps. The third exercise strengthens your abdominal muscles. Lay on your back, don't place your hands behind your head. Keep them near your head without using them to help you lift. Inhale, and as you fully exhale, curl your torso upward. At the top, hold briefly and squeeze your abs, then return to the starting position. Do this exercise for 50-20 times, 3 sets.
Screaming, they just let me be had to slow it down. What goes around comes around. Oh, the frequency different now. I was going through different rounds. Hey, it's crazy, the progress is hitting now. Ain't no sitting and lost and found. I found what I lost in a minute now. I was on the wrong path.
The fourth exercise stretches the lower back muscle. Kneel down and take a wide step forward with one leg so that the front knee forms a 90-degree angle. Pull the other leg toward your glute, engage your core, and keep your back straight. After 1-2 minutes, switch legs. If you can't reach your foot, move on to the next alternative exercise. Lay on your stomach and bend one knee. Grab your foot with one hand and pull the heel as close to your glute as possible. I do these exercises every day, and I recommend you do the same. Stay healthy, subscribe, give a like, and see you in the next videos.